Hi guys, welcome back. Part 2 of the Rescue of Sir Ragnar Hero Quest for the Amiga. Yeah, well, like you saw from the first video, I've just rescued Sir Ragnar, but as soon as I found him, the alarm's just gone off, so there's a load of bad guys everywhere. Now we've got to try and find the exit, so let's get back to it. Said it'd probably be down there, wouldn't we? So, but let's have a look at the map again. Right, we're there, so no, I need to go. There it is. Stairs. Exit. That can't be that simple, can it? Just to go up there. But no, we got. Is it just to the left, or is it just going to be sneaky and then I have to? Well, we'll just get on with it and have a look. But I reckon... yeah, just as I thought. Dead end. I don't want to go too far because of him. Yeah, I really love this game. It's just so addictive. Better than the board game. I know several of my friends would probably slate me for that, but it's much more enjoyable. I think, anyway. Yeah, I think I'm going the right way. Let's go. One? Are you serious? One? I'm not moving. I'm not letting him die now. So guys, what do you think of this? I was just trying to think of games to do, but everyone's doing all the modern games, like like Left 4 Dead and Black Ops, and all these Terraria Minecraft videos and things like that. I thought I'd just try and do something a little bit different, like Hero Quest and other games in the future that I might do. Amiga, Commodore 64, whatever. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I just want to get this Hero Quest finished first. Hopefully we can get the Rescue of Sir Ragnar done. Then we can get on to map 3. Oh, thank God, 5. Almost home and dry, I think. I'm not sure if that's a trap. I'm not sure if it's something hidden. I don't know whether to risk it or not. But let's see where we are. Are we almost home free? Yes, we are. That's good. So, that's it. Maybe it's a pressure trap. I don't know. But let's go. I'm gonna step on it, just in case. Well, it looks like we're home and dry. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And we'll see you soon, I guess. I hope you're finding these videos really interesting, like I am. Going back to the old generation of gaming when I was a kid. Yeah, so this is Bazza Forever signing off. Rescue of Sir Ragnar completed, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.